Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Today I'm going to be covering this bare wall with some Chinese lanterns. I kind of got a thing for Asian decor, so let's get to it. I purchased these 4 lanterns from Dollar Tree. They come 2 in a pack, and I got these mirror butterfly wall decals and also a pack of coffee filters. I'm going to spray paint 2 of these lanterns silver using this Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. I'm just using the last of it. I found out that this other spray paint that I have, the Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel, spray painted much better, had much better coverage. I wanted to show you the difference between this lantern that I sprayed the enamel on and the other one that I used the Rust-Oleum metallic on. It's a much better coverage. And then I'm going to go over some of the butterflies with this ocean mist color and spray paint the other butterfly silver. I'm only going to decorate 3 of these lanterns. So for lantern number 1, I'm going to take a handful of coffee filters and cut out the inner circle and spray paint them silver and glue them onto the lantern. I'm going to start by gluing 3 circles at the bottom, and then as I work my way up, I'm going to try to glue some circles in between 2 circles on the previous row, if that makes any sense, because I want to make sure all the circles are showing. So I'm trying to glue the circles in between the previous circles on the previous row. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Just watching, you'll see. Oh, but while you're watching, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, lantern number 2 is not going to be as precise as the first one. You're basically just folding up some coffee filters and gluing them to the lantern, and keep on going at that until you filled every inch of it. Pretty easy. I also decided to use some of the used coffee filters from the ones that I cut the circles out to fill in some of the open gaps. For lantern number 3, I am going to glue some white hydrangea flowers and some white fake berries from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to try to glue it in a slanted way across the lantern. Now I want to make this design curve around the lantern, so I thought it might be easier to do it in steps. So first I glued on all the leaves, then I moved on to gluing on the flowers. At first I did it in a staggered way, and then with row number 1, then I filled in row number 2 with the white flowers. Then I glued on the silver hydrangeas, and last but not least the fake berries, and then I was done. I'm going to hang the lanterns using thumbnails and some white string. And I'm going to tie the string around the top of the inner wires to each lantern. Obviously the butterflies are much easier to put onto the wall, but that was all I got to show you, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys next time. Bye.